Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. DragonCity, episode 2. Yeah, episode 2. Ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, thank you. Thank you for food. Ooh, oh, it's just one of these. Oh, it's just one of these. Okay, so, a quick second there. And forget it if you heard me. Maybe we can place it there. You're not allowed 1 hour. Speed up to, yeah, we ain't staying here now. What did I even call it? Okay, now we can take this, place it in there. And get the Pharaoh Dragon. I get. No. So, are you guys done? You should be. Yeah, you are. Yay! Wait, you, I need to send it. I like the fact that it's a baby. Okay. Place. No, what happened to the tree over there? I don't want to see you. You're staying behind there. Stay there. You, where? Okay, yeah, you can, I can. Only you, and for you. I don't know about it. Why are you? Yeah, okay. So, this dragon I already have. It's this one. It's dizzy, but I won't. No, I'm making everybody babies. No, you guys are staying there because you look awful. You though are very cute. You have to be a baby. You look fat. You're chubby. Let's go feed him up. Yep. You staying, baby. Because I had to wait. A damn it! Okay, let's breed something. What can we breed? Okay, we can breed you and. No, okay, sorry. So you and not Coco, Ellie, but Ellie. Yeah, you're unhappy. You're unhappy. 19 hours. We'll see that next time. Which one was it? I need nature dragon. Let's just see a video, okay? Okay, I did the thing. Take one. Nature habitat. Now what? I can do that easily. No, yeah, so for what did I have to do for the nature dragon? Okay, sorry. First I need you guys I'm just wasting everything right now. I'm so sorry, guys. This is awful of me. Sorry, but how many do I have? So I still have to crack 6 days. Okay, that's good enough. So okay, now you're full grown. I'll still make you a baby. Oh, what is this? So wait, it was the ice and nature. Ice and nature. Okay. And nature. Radio, stupid idiots. 8 hours, and this, how long did this last? 23 hours. Okay, that's pretty good. How many do I have now? 64! No. No. It's 614. If you hear something, I'm sorry. My parents are, I think, arguing. I want this dragon so badly. I had to. Not no. Forget it. The whack or the orbs? I really don't know. Okay, let's take care. Oh no, that was dead. So we have. Do we have enough dragons to fight? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we do. I want to tear that dragon. Okay. Yeah, all of them are babies. I love them. That's a good word. What? Not good. Ow. I love that move. I didn't say it last video, but I don't really like that animation. Oh, that was easy. 744. Okay, hey. Not dead. Not even dead. Bye bye. That guys is how to win in DragonCity. How long is it? 2 minutes. 1 hour. I did speed you up, sadly. Okay. Only this then. The baby blob. Like, look. No. Okay, but you see the. Just look at him. There he's flying. Now he's sliding. Now he's bouncing. Now he's also sliding. Make up your mind. Bounce, fly, or slide. I'll let you be. I'm very curious what dragon that is. Oh, volcano dragon. No, but not that. No. If I'm going to waste something, I want it. I will do it when I want. Metal dragon, okay. Metal. Should maybe upgrade some of the. Okay, upgrade you. And you disappeared. No, they already there. Oh wait, didn't know. Okay, I said I have a crack, but you probably see everything. Buy it again, my dude. 554. I want Porky. I'll let them play. I stepped on something. Kill it? Yeah, I killed it. I have to switch. Swap. Hello. I'll kill myself. I killed myself. If you hear like a keyboard, that's because I'm having another. No, sorry, because I have another game on, and somehow it's. Yeah, I'll stop. 1 minute waiting. So last episode I said I might buy this island. Because if I do that and unlock the whole thing, I can buy this, and I want this. I said, why do I want to save all of you? No. Not at all. Might as well just take him away. Claire, I don't care. I don't care about him. So should I? And I'll do. If I'm going to do it, I'm doing it at the end of the episode. Where are you guys going? I'm sending you guys off on an easy trip. And you found the only adult. A second. So the cards cost money, okay. Uncle Sam. Columbus Dragon. Mars. How do you know it's from Mars and not the moon? Huh? Explain. Okay, but I have a lot of money, so I guess. A lot. I have a lot. And I mean, what kind of dragon are you? Child forever. What dragon were you? Because I love Chinese dragons, so it's an Asian dragon, okay. It will take 11 hours to breed or hatch. What now then? Okay, you know what? I'm buying it. Ta-da! I bought it. Okay, it wasn't really the smartest thing I've done. But that said, it's still something. So, yeah. I guess this is the end. Well, we'll see you tomorrow, I guess. And have a nice day and goodbye!